In this video we are going to discuss about pricing plans on Squarespace platform. Here you can see this one is the free website that will expire on May 23. So once you have created a free website, then after 14 days it will be expired. So you need to upgrade your package. So let's see how it works. Here you can go and search for Squarespace pricing plans. So you can open this page, then scroll down. So first of all, this one is the free for the 14 days. Now if you want to pay monthly basis, then you can select this option, then scroll down. So here you can see these are different packages. So basic package starting from the $19 monthly, core package, advanced package. So once you get any of the package, then you will get a free custom domain. Now scroll down. So these are the features that you will get in every package. So now let me select this one, pay annually. Then you will get a discount on the packages. So here you can see they are giving a discount for the custom domain on only annual package, not the monthly package. So make sure that you have selected these packages that are the annual basis. So if you want to get the monthly packages, then you will not get this custom domain. So now let's see how you can get these packages. Then simply you can go click here 3 dots, then billings. So if you are building a website for your client, then don't worry, your client will pay for the package. So after that, here you need to go and select this one, payment information. So here you need to add the payment method. Then for the subscriptions, select this one, then click here, and after that upgrade your subscription. Now scroll down. So here you can see you can easily get any of the package from here.